here I am sitting in my office in my house somewhere in Berkshire, southern England, on a lovely sunny afternoon, and hopefully I'm communicating with people from Egypt to Calgary. The aim of this workshop is very much to demonstrate the value of virtual outcrops, but secondly to demonstrate the capabilities of what is a field of rapidly evolving software, which enables us to actually view outcrop images in 3D space in real time. So the platform which Claudia has already introduced is 3D Gaia, and here we can facilitate multi-site and technically diverse teams where you can interactively interpret outcrops in real time.
I guess the photos are in two different orientations from the looks of things. So one's parallel to the face and the other one's perpendicular. The folding wraps around, so it's a top to the right sort of folding, and then in the left-hand one you can see the fold actually closes.
Yes.
So yeah, so that for me it's what reminded me of what we can call a sheath fold, I guess. And
this is probably the stream mouth bar coming across it. So you've actually got these progradational dips, and clearly there's a lot of things that could give us progrades like this. It could be a big tidal bar, for instance.
What I could notice about those upper parasequences is that they tended to be maybe a bit thinner, and then I was just wondering whether on that right hand end I could see some much lower angle beds starting to dip in the opposite direction, possibly, but it was
well done. So again, you've only had half an hour looking at this, and you've come up with some quite interesting observations, which I think is well on the way to developing a useful analog model for dimensions, internal discontinuities, internal cementation, etc., etc. And right at the end here you've got the channel, which will probably be the coarsest part of the whole progradational system. However, this is a great tool now for actually saying, well, these are the areas I would like to go and look at if I was going into the field here.